This gives me immense pleasure to introduce Chairman of today's panel discussion, Dr. K.C. Vora. Dr. K.C. Vora is CEO of COEP's Bhav Institute of Innovation, Entrepreneurship and Leadership. He is also Emeritus Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Dr. Vora has done his PhD from IITB. He has a vast industrial and academic experience of 36 years. He has superannuated from ARAI in October 2021 as head of ARAI Academy and joined COEP. He is recipient of Best Learning Center Award for ARAI Academy and Knowledge Center from the Indian Society for Training and Development and Guru Award from SAE India Foundation for his contributions to the students of India. Actually, the introduction is very big, but in short, I introduce our very own Professor K.C. Vora. He will be chairman of today's panel discussion. I request all the honorable guests to take their seats on the dais. Professor Vora, please.
I will introduce all the panelists one by one and then invite you on the stage. So good afternoon all of you. Today we are on the last day of the conference where we have a valedictory session immediately after this panel discussion, and Mr. Petkar, CTO and President of Tata Motors would be here very soon as a chief guest for the valedictory session. In this panel discussion we have 5 panelists and a moderator. We have a special moderator, so I would start with the introduction of the moderator. Our moderator is none other than consulting editor of ET Auto, Mr. Sumantra Barua. Let's give a big hand to Mr. Sumantra Barua. Mr. Sumantra Barua is a journalist with experience of over 20 years in media industry. He took up his current role as a consulting editor at ET Auto after working for 11.5 years in Autocar Professional. Before joining Autocar Professional, he had nearly 10 years of stint at CNBC TV 18, India's leading business news television channel. His last role in CNBC TV 18 was Chief Correspondent Automobile. So he has specialized in the field of automotive engineering, and you will see him taking interviews of many experts in the field of automotive engineering, R&D heads and various other organizations. As a business journalist tracking the automotive industry, Sumantra has been tracking and reporting almost all significant development in the Indian and global automotive and auto ancillary industries. He has a special interest in technology, innovation, mobility industry, and Sumantra has graduated from Symbiosis College of Arts and Commerce from Pune and holds a master's program certificate in mass communication from Symbiosis Institute of Mass Communication, also Pune. So, ladies and gentlemen, I request Sumantra to please come forward and take the center stage. Our panelist, I would introduce first Dr. Sandeep Patil, who has come specially from Germany, Aachen University, and he is here to lay down the foundation of Aachen University representation in India in very our own Pune. Dr. Sandeep Patil received his bachelor in mechanical engineering from Shivaji University, Kolhapur, masters from University of Stuttgart, Germany, and later on he did his PhD from RWTH, Aachen University. So all of you know that COP has already a collaboration with Aachen University, and we are interacting with both the universities are interacting, now being COP almost the university. Dr. Sandeep Patil is a group leader of molecular mechanics and multi-scale modeling research group at the Institution of General Mechanics, RWTH, Aachen University, Germany. Today morning he had a special keynote address the same place. He has been a scientific assistant and team leader at RWTH, Aachen University, Germany since 2015. Moreover, he is the academic study advisor for 2 international master's degree programs, that is MSc CAME and MSc MME CAME. He is also the director of India office at RWTH International Academy. His fields of interest are continuum mechanics, molecular dynamics simulation, multi-stage modeling, advanced material, brittle fracture, material forming and biomaterials. He is recipient of Hilti Scholarship 2010, and Hilti Corporation has offered a scholarship to his master thesis as a part of his curriculum. So I request Dr. Sandeep Patil to please come and take the seat. Let's give a big hand to Dr. Our next panelist is Mrs. Lata Variawa. Incidentally, she is an alumni of COEP. She has done her BTech and MTech both at College of Engineering Pune, and she is today the head manufacturing engineering enterprise technology engineering at John Deere, Pune. She has 18 years of experience in multiple roles in manufacturing, digital manufacturing, marketing, strategy, and then back to manufacturing as the manufacturing engineering head. In her group, there are 60 global John Deere factories across the world, where she is working on digital transformation of these factories. Let's give a big hand to Madam and request her to please. We have a special guest, Mr. Milind Peshwe, Vice President, Power System Engineering, ERC Tata Motors. He is a Vice President and heads the Power System Engineering Division and responsible for delivery of all ranges of engines, transmissions, hybrid and electric power system for passenger as well as commercial vehicle application. In his previous role as head of small light duty diesel engine at Power Systems Engineering, he was responsible for design and development of light duty diesel engine catering to passenger vehicles and small commercial vehicles of Tata Motors. He is a postgraduate in mechanical engineering from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and since 1984 he has a vast experience in the domain of design, development, validation and productionization of various powertrain solutions. He has seen country migrating from no emission area to current BS6 emission area. He has led various initiatives with Tata Motor to comply with strict emission norms along with stringent fuel efficiency regulation now prevalent since 2017 and further being upgraded in 2022. He holds many patents and research papers to his credit. Additionally, Mr. Peshwe actively participates in various initiatives from automotive bodies at SIAM, ICMAE, certifying agencies including ARAI and Education Institute to name a few. I know Mr. Peshwe because many of my students have been mentored through him. So thank you, Mr. Peshwe, and let's give a warm welcome to Mr. Peshwe. The next panelist is Mr. Vijay Pankhawala. Vijay Pankhawala is my friend at ARAI, a mechanical engineering professional from IIT Kanpur. Vijay has a rich, multifaceted experience of more than 30 years. At present, he is a deputy director at ARAI, engaged with business development and corporate planning function, where his key responsibility areas include new market development, institutional alliances, collaborations, technology marketing besides business development, project mentoring and planning. Growth from the rank of research engineer to present positions, Vijay has substantially contributed in various areas like structural evaluation of components. He has been in the fatigue and structural dynamics lab, implementation of government funded research and industry sponsored projects, test lab management, project planning and monitoring, coordinating with government for funded projects at ARAI, system implementation, education and training. Let's welcome Vijay Pankhawala. The next panelist is from our very own College of Engineering Pune, Dr. P.R. Damangaonkar sir. He is an associate professor in mechanical engineering and associate dean student affairs at COEP. He has done his bachelor from VRC Nagpur, now it is called as VNIT Nagpur, and masters from Government College of Engineering Amravati. He has also done DBM from Amravati University and MBA also from Amravati University. He got his PhD from this very university, Pune University. He has worked in industry for a couple of years and also has an administrative experience, and his teaching experience is more than 24 years. His specialization is steam technology, heat exchanger design and other areas. He has been member in many organizations and he is known as a very good mentor among the students. Let's welcome Dr. Daman Gautam. So you would see that we have 5 panelists, and you would see that they are from different areas, because our subject is so crucial that we need people from academia and we need people from industry too. So this I am very sure that you would like this panel, which is well suited to discuss on today's topic. So I would now request Mr. Sumantra to take our charge as a moderator and begin the panel discussion. Thank you very much.